Hello, guys. Let us understand how to create a proper referenced academic document using Google Docs. This is the best source to create a proper citation and format your document. So, let me show you that. Use docs.google.com. Otherwise, from your Gmail, you can check Docs here. You can click on this and open. Okay. So, when you click this, it opens this sort of site and create a new document, and you can name your document like my first document. So this is my document. So I will tell you the first benefit. If we are working collaboratively, like two to three people working on one particular document, this is very useful. Even if you are working singly, it is more useful. Okay. So how to do that? So now first go to tools and click on citations. So here you can see citations part. Just select whatever the citations you want. Chicago MLA and APA7. So I need APA7, so I select APA7 edition and let me generate some content. I don't want to write, I will generate something like using ChatGPT. What is cloud computing? Write a paragraph with a book reference and article reference. Okay, both should should be in APA7. Should be in APA7. So it will be generating a small paragraph, and I see that an in-text citation is added here. And here I have a book and I have journal reference. Both are there. So I'm copying and pasting this one. Just usually I write it. Here I'm just copying and pasting it. So for this section here, I want to add a reference. So just understand, assume that I want to add a reference over here. No, just I will be adding one reference at the ending and one reference I will add somewhere around here. I want to add book reference here. So now what I do is like I will click on add citation. So you can see this right. Add citation source book accessed by online database. Right. So if we have is ISBN number, um, it automatically creates the reference. Okay. So maybe like if I say with ISBN number. So this is ISBN number, right? When I take this number and submit and search, so mastering cloud computing, this is the reference, author, everything is there. Now, when we search, we got it right, like continue. So we got all the data added here, and access date, March, DOI, short title, volume nothing. So this is perfect. Now add citation. I got detail over here. Right now I want to cite it here. So I wrote this one and at the end I want to add this citation, right? So just come over here and click on cite. It automatically cites it. Here it is given hash mark, right? Here I want to add page number, page 12, something like this. So this makes it perfect because you can include all the references here. If four or five people working on it, they can add all the references over here itself at one section. There will be no extra work to collectively work on referencing part. All right. So next one for the next reference is a journal reference, add citation. Just click on book and select journal article and accessed by online database. So if we have something to search, we don't have anything to search here. So just go with the manual entry of data. Okay, so I'm just dragging it over here and This is the reference. What is the reference? Just click on the link. It will take to the source. We need to verify whether the source is working or not. If this source is working, and we have full names here. Savita Weird, like something like this. Here we can see that this is already created reference. So we cannot directly take that here from this. First thing is it is verifying whether the source is there or not. Source is there, and so like this you should create your proper reference. It should be properly done. Okay, add one more contributor. We have one more author. His name is Hans J. Bem. This guy is having just two names, so this could be a name because hyphen is given, so this could be a name. What is the title article? Author article's title: Memory Modes and Rethinking Parallel, and there's something. What is the journal name? Communications of ACM. Okay. Yes. What is the volume? 53 and issue 8. 53 issue 8. What is the page? 9200. 92.01. Okay. So published day, published year. Published year. What is the published year? 2010. 2010. Okay. So then we need to add DOI. Do we have DOI here? Yes, we have DOI. Copy the link address and copy it. Add citation source. So now it is done. Okay, so we have both the citations. So if I want to cite this one, I will just come to the end of that one and this one cite. Okay, so, and it also gets page number. You should add page numbers in APA7. If you don't add it, this will be a big mistake. Okay, it will not satisfy the requirement. So I wrote a proper paragraph with proper citation. Now I want to insert citations at the ending. I will just click insert citations and it is in AP7. Need not to do any hard work. Okay, it automatically creates references. All right. So it looks difficult, but after writing particular section, if you add a reference, that makes more sense than working on references at the end of the document. Okay. So that creates unnecessary 1 to 2 hours of efforts on making proper references. And so in any academic document, references weight will be 10 to 20% of the score. If you don't give proper references, whatever the quality of content you wrote, that will be marked for 80%. Okay. So, and sometimes if professor is very strict about APA7, he simply marks 0. Okay. So references are very important. Please follow this. This is my advice to use. If you don't have a proper writing like my MS Word or any other writing tool, better to use Microsoft sorry, Google Docs to generate your content. So this is perfect APS 7. Understood? All the best. Thank you.